Hi guys, it's Chloe again and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, it is all about the safe and unsafe foods to feed our hamsters that are easily available here in the Philippines. So let's jump right into it. Carrots, squash, broccoli, cauliflower, romaine lettuce, spinach, bok choy or pechay, green beans, bell peppers, and cooked potatoes. Now here are the safe fruits for hamsters. Apples, no seeds. Banana. Pears, no seeds. Grapes, seedless. Blueberries. Cherries, no pits. And blackberries. Now here's a list of other safe foods for hamsters. Plain low-fat yogurt, eggs, mealworms, whole grain bread or wheat bread, cooked pasta, mild cheese, peanuts, and oats. These are the foods that we should not feed our hamsters. Garlic, onions, almonds, canned foods, chocolates, candies, junk foods or chips, eggplant, avocado, citrus fruits, leeks, scallions, chives, pickles, spices, bay laurel, lemongrass, seeds of apples, grapes, cherries, and others, and black peppers.